Hello, young scientists! Are you ready for some exciting science fun? Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of science and try out some simple experiments that you can do at home. Grab your lab coats and let's get started on our scientific adventure. Science is all about exploring, discovering, and learning how the world works. It's like being a detective who solves mysteries about nature, how things work, and why things happen. Today, we'll be doing some fun experiments to see science in action. Our first experiment is the baking soda volcano. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, and a little food coloring. Mix the baking soda with food coloring in a container, then pour in the vinegar and watch as it erupts like a volcano. This happens because baking soda and vinegar create a gas that makes bubbles and fizz. Next up, let's find out which objects float and which sink. Fill a container with water and carefully place different objects in it. Some objects, like a toy boat, will float, while others, like a coin, will sink. This experiment helps us understand why some things float and others don't. Now, let's create a rainbow. Fill a glass with water and place a small mirror in the glass. Shine a flashlight at the mirror and angle it so the light reflects through the water. You should see a rainbow appear on the wall. This happens because the water bends the light and splits it into all the colors of the rainbow. Let's grow some crystals. Mix salt with warm water until it dissolves completely. Pour the solution onto a plate and let it sit for a few days. As the water evaporates, you'll see tiny crystals start to form. This happens because the salt is too big to stay dissolved when the water is gone. Remember, safety first. Always ask an adult for help when doing experiments. Wear safety goggles and gloves if needed, and make sure you're working in a safe area. Science is fun, but it's important to stay safe while exploring. Our adventure in science and experiments has been fantastic. We've learned how to make a volcano erupt, find out which objects float, create a rainbow, and grow crystals. Thanks for joining us on this scientific journey. Keep experimenting and discovering the wonders of science. See you on our next adventure.